I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna refinish these hubcaps. I have limited tools and I don't even have that much sanding paper left, but I'm gonna do it with what I have at home. What I'm gonna do is I'm mostly gonna sand over the gouges and curb rash and anything that's peeling from old age, especially that area up top. That's heavily damaged, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make it level into an arc, especially that nub that's sticking out, make it into a uniform arc, and I'm using wet sanding technique and just trying to continue that radius of a circle all the way around in a smooth fashion. Obviously these are cheap from a junkyard, but some of these are getting harder to find in good condition now, and sometimes you would need to refinish it and recondition it. So I have most of the sanding done. I'm gonna use this aluminum spray paint from Walmart and a clear coat to seal it off. I'm gonna put down a thicker coat of paint around the edges because I ran out of sanding paper, and also if you have swirls or you have a little bit of residue or remnants of a gouge left over, you can kind of cheat and just fill it in with the extra paint. And yeah, so this is cheap paint anyways, and as long as you don't make it run and make it ugly, it should be fine. I know it's not the most professional way of doing this, but after you put down the clear coat and seal it, I've had it last for 5 years, and the paint didn't come off or anything. Almost done. Just gonna put a couple more sprays on that area there with a little bit of that gouge still there. I couldn't get it sanded out. I have this can of clear coat left over from another project. You don't need to put a ton of clear coat on it. One, because the can is about 2 or 3 times more expensive than the paint can. Two, it's not gonna hide any flaws. It's just gonna seal it and keep the paint, so you just need to get an even coating, and that's it. Let it dry. And here's the finished product. As you see from that side, it looks a little bit flat, but it's not gonna matter that much once you put it on the car. And just for reference, here's one that's completely perfectly round, and the damaged one that I fixed earlier. Here they are about a month later, still holding up fine against the weather and use. And that's all. Thanks for watching.